Anyways, lateral raises is a very tricky workout as we have experienced in the Greek God gym so far. A lot of people get it one hand, but other people not so fast. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dino Damdana, and today we are going to teach you how to perform the lateral raises. Lateral raises is a workout for the lateral head of your shoulders, and it is a very tricky workout. Actually, this is Coach Ben, and he's going to serve as our gym rat, lab rat. Anyways, lateral raises is a very tricky workout as we have experienced in the Greek God gym so far. A lot of people get it one hand, but other people not so fast, right? So basically, there is one thing you should understand with lateral raises, and it is that, just like I always explain, you have to take note of the joint that is doing the work. And the joint that is doing the work in this case is your elbow joint, right? Your ankle, is this ankle? No, your wrist. Your wrist is just holding the weight, right? But your elbow is the one actually doing the work. So when you are doing lateral raises and you are holding the weight with your elbow, with your wrist, you are not using your wrist to bring it up this way, right? Rather, this is just your grip. You are holding it. Then you use your elbow to raise it up. Now, you are going to do this in a butterfly way, meaning your hands will not be straight up like this. But yeah, if you are using a very light weight, your hands can be straight like this. However, if the weight you are using is heavier and you do like this, then you are putting your elbow at risk, right? So the best way is to curve it up a little. So when you are doing this, you are raising your elbow like this. You are raising your elbow like this. Let's show them practically now. Good. So the whole point of Coach Ben slanting down like this is to get this massive stretch, right? Then when he's coming back up, and he's contracting it. Building your muscle is all about stretches and contraction. You stretch a muscle, you stretch the muscles, then you contract it. Anything you are building, that is the principle. You stretch and you contract. If you are building your chest, you stretch and you contract. Your arms, you stretch and you contract. Anything stretches and contraction, right? So one thing that you should know, again, aside from using your elbow, is paying attention to your wrist, your pinky movement, right? So when you are coming back up, you turn your pinky should actually face up. It shouldn't face like this. It should face up, right? So you are coming like this, your pinky facing up, you are taking it back down. Coming like this, your pinky facing up, you are taking it back down. Let's see again. Can you see that? Right? So this is how to do your lateral raises. You can actually do it standing. You can do it seated. You can use cable to do it. You can use one hand to do it. In fact, that one hand, I kind of recommend one hand for people who get it difficult to do two hands. Can you show them one hand? The seated, yeah. Okay. Still seated. Just put your leg this way, and support yourself. Yes. Then let's go. Yes. Can you see? So now you have just one hand to contend with. If you are having difficulty doing it, right? You have just one hand to contend with. It will still give you what you are looking for, right? So up next, we are going to teach the front raises in the next video. So I will catch you all in the next video. Thank you.